If you're over 60 and lately you've noticed something subtle, standing up from your favorite chair feels harder than it used to. Reaching overhead makes you pause. Walking on uneven ground makes you think twice. Let me tell you something important right away. This is not just getting old. And it's not simply weak muscles either. What's really happening is something most people never hear about. Your brain and your body are slowly losing their balance conversation. That automatic signal, the one that used to keep you steady without thinking, has faded. And here's the big mistake most exercise programs make. They only train strength. But strength without balance is like owning a powerful car with broken steering. The engine works, but control is gone. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 movements that look a little unusual, but research shows they restore balance faster than traditional exercises. And the best part? They take less than 10 minutes a day, right in your living room. Exercise 1, the sit to stand, more than a leg exercise. At first glance, this looks simple, but this movement is actually a hidden balance test your body performs dozens of times every day. Think about how often you stand up, from your bed, the toilet, a chair, or your car. Each time, your brain must calculate exactly when your weight shifts from sitting to standing. When that signal is off, even slightly, your body cheats. You rock forward. You use momentum instead of control. And that's when knees and lower back start to suffer. A major study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that seniors who practiced this movement correctly for 8 weeks improved lower body strength by about 30%. But more importantly, they felt more confident in daily life. Why? Because they weren't just getting stronger, they were retraining balance. How to do it correctly: sit on a sturdy chair without wheels. Scoot toward the edge of the seat. Place your hands gently on your thighs. Lean forward slightly and feel your weight move into your feet. Stand up fully, tall hips, straight knees. Then slowly sit back down with control. Here's the key detail. By keeping your hands on your thighs instead of pushing with your arms, your core muscles switch on automatically. Your brain has to recalculate balance every single repetition. That's the magic. Start with 3 sets of 8-10 reps, 3 times per week. Go slow, especially on the way down. That lowering phase is where balance is rebuilt. This is not about speed. It's about teaching your body how to move correctly again. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple, science-based fitness tips for active seniors. And stay with us till the end. The final movement is a real game changer. Exercise 2, wall push-ups, the posture balance link. This one surprises most people. How can upper body exercises help my balance? Here's the science. When posture collapses, shoulders rounded, head drifting forward, your center of gravity shifts forward too. That puts you off balance before you even take a step. Research in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science showed that strengthening the muscles that stabilize the shoulder blades improved posture and walking stability in older adults. Less pain, better posture. More balance, because your body doesn't work in parts, it works as a system. How to perform. Wall push-ups, stand facing a wall. Hands at chest height, fingers pointing up. Gently press your palms into the wall and draw your shoulder blades down and back, flattening them against your rib cage. Keep your body straight, bend your elbows, and move toward the wall. Then slowly push back. That shoulder blade control is everything. When your shoulder blades are stable, your spine aligns better. Your head sits where it should, and your balance system finally gets the signals it expects. Do 3 sets of 8-10 reps, moving slowly. 2 seconds down, pause, 2 seconds up. Exhale as you push away. That activates your core and stabilizes your spine. This isn't just an arm exercise. It's full-body balance training in disguise. Exercise 3, marching with knee taps, brain-body balance reset. I'll be honest, this one looks a little strange, but it might be the most powerful balance movement of all. True balance isn't just strength or posture. It's coordination, how well both sides of your brain communicate. Studies in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity show that cross-body movements significantly reduce fall risk in older adults. When your right hand touches your left knee, both brain hemispheres must work together. Those neural pathways often slow down with age, and this movement wakes them back up. How to do it. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Lift one knee and tap it with the opposite hand. Then switch sides. You're balancing on one leg, shifting your center of gravity, engaging your core, and coordinating timing, all at once. That's real-life balance training. Start with 1 to 2 minutes, rest 30 seconds, repeat for 3 rounds. If needed, stay near a wall or chair for support. This isn't about perfection. It's about connection, brain and body working together again. Putting it all together. These three movements may look simple, but together they rebuild exactly what aging quietly takes away. Sit to stand restores safe weight shifting. Wall push-ups realign posture and balance. Marching knee taps reconnect your brain and coordination. Consistency matters more than intensity. Start where you are, do what you can, and in just a few weeks, you'll notice smoother movement, less hesitation, and renewed confidence. Your body is not broken. It simply needs the right signals. If you're ready to start, comment "I'm ready" below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, follow us on Facebook for daily updates and behind-the-scenes tips. Trust me, the progress you'll feel might surprise you. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.